Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix songs missing from library in Amazon Music. So if your app shows songs missing from your library, it's usually due to account issues, sync errors, or device settings. So actually guys, first you will need to check that you are logged into the correct account, and to do that, so you will need just to go and tap on the profile picture that's located in the top left corner, and then just go with my profile, and right here where you can check your account or the accounts that you are actually using. Okay, also you can check on the name, even on manage profile, as you can see under your profile picture. Okay, and make sure that you are using the same Amazon account where you added the songs, and the songs are tied, as you know, to your account, so logging into a different one will not show them. Also guys, I do really want you to refresh the library, and to do that you will need to refresh the app itself. So just go ahead and close the app completely. How so? You will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app. Okay, and now wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen Amazon Music. Then just go to library, the option that you can see at the bottom, or the tab that you can see actually, and then go with the songs or the album, the playlists actually that you are missing. So sometimes a simple refresh fixes missing content. Also guys, I really want you to check the subscription status, so you will need just to go and tap on your profile icon at the top left, go with the account option, it's the second last one, and here you will need to check your subscription status. So some songs are only available for Amazon Music Unlimited or HD, Ultra HD users. So free or expired subscription may hide or restrict certain songs. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.